Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market, the whole market is in a downtrend, but if you actually talk about specifically meme coins, you can see Bonk and Flocky and Whiff being able to make some new numbers. This is only because the Solana chain is trying to catch up to Ethereum. If we talk about Dogecoin, it's still holding very strong, close to 16.5. The trading volume is still sitting close to 1.5 billion, and there are some big things happening. Dogecoin is encountering a big resistance between 16.5 and 17.1, with a lot of whales which are very confused if to buy or sell, and crucial Dogecoin Tesla reminder issued by an insider. Before we get into all of this, if you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with Dogecoin, scroll down, tap the red subscribe button right there, slap a like on the video, just help the YouTube algorithm push the video to more people see the positive side of Doge, decide to buy into it, it starts spiking up, and all of us make a lot of profit. Now keep in mind, right now we're sitting at a very crucial stage. I mean, if we just talk about Dogecoin specifically, this is the weekly chart. You can see that even in the weekly chart, we're clearly in an uptrend, but if I put it into a 4-hour chart, it should give you more perspective. Now the only way that this uptrend can carry on is we need to make sure that we do not break below the increasing line that we have formed, and that will be close to 16.2. If we don't break below that and we just keep climbing in a small and steady way, there is so much potential for Dogecoin to climb to the previous high which we received in this bull market. Now keep in mind, the biggest supports that you need to pay attention to will be close to 15 cents. If we break below that, the next one will be 13 cents. Talking about a really strong resistance is pretty much where we are sitting right now. You can see that from the past 2 months now, we have been being rejected around this area for quite a significant period of time, but now we have consolidated for a little bit longer than what we have seen previously. If we're able to just consolidate and bounce off this uptrend that we have formed, there is so much potential for Dogecoin price to make it to a new high that a lot of people are waiting for. Now talking about this, this is a really important cycle. Dogecoin is encountering significant resistance between 16.6 and 17.1, where 75,000 addresses have acquired nearly 10 billion Dogecoin. However, once the barrier is overcome, Dogecoin has the potential to double with its next key resistance around 32 cents. I mean, you guys can see being able to break above this is going to be extremely hard because this resistance barrier is very, very big. But if we do decide to make it over that, there is so much potential. I mean, just in this resistance phase, 10 billion Dogecoin have been purchased by 75,000 different addresses. That should already say a lot of numbers. Now talking about the whale activity, now on the 26th, which is just about 2 days ago, this whale decided to sell $4.1 million worth of Dogecoin around 17 cents. When it went back to 16.7, purchased back another 4 million. So you guys can see that this is the third largest holder of Dogecoin, and they're also confused. They're trying to sell and buy back around the same phase, thinking maybe we're going to be making a recovery from here, or we might be having a breakout. It's just very, very hard to predict. So you not being able to make a decision, don't be fooled, because even the whales are very confused. Now, crucial Dogecoin Tesla reminder. Now, this was posted by Doge Designer. If you guys do not know him, he is very popular. He is pretty much being retweeted by our boy Elon all the time, and he tweeted out saying Tesla accepts only one crypto, Dogecoin. Talking about the open interest, it is down 3% today, but still sitting well above the $850 million mark. Talking about liquidations, let's just say the longs are not very happy with 2 million being liquidated and shorts close to 600k. Another whale, as you guys can see, on the 25th, it decided to sell about 1 million at 16.5. But when it went to 17 cents, bought back another 300k. So you can see everyone's trying to see that breakout, and that's going to actually push us to a next new high. Why am I talking about this? Because this consolidation phase that we're sitting in is so crucial. Right now, there are so many whales which are waiting on the sideline just to see a little bit of a spike. That little bit of a spike, and a lot of people are going to be FOMOing back into the Dogecoin market. When the FOMO kicks in, let's just say a lot of whales are going to be buying in, and the price will increase very rapidly. I would not be surprised if we get a 50% increase in a single day. Now, Now allow me to short a frank about Dogecoin. If we cross and then we're going for upper resistance range between $24 to $36 and it falls into the currency orbit, value pattern is going to be sending it to another level. I have no time to debate, just bookmark this and wait. You will see that this will make some numbers. Now, do I agree with this? I would have to say no. Hitting $1 would be the first big thing that Dogecoin is going to do, but there is a lot of people predicting that Doge can hit some big numbers if there is a little bit of connection between our boy Trump and Dogecoin. Businesses are beginning to adopt Dogecoin. This is an exciting year for Dogecoin, and there is more to accomplish. Dogecoin and Shiba Inu surge past Bitcoin. Is the meme coin craze taking over? Meme coins have been talked about in town this bull run and have performed well since late February. There is these tokens that solve nothing but interact with thousands of investors. Crypto pointed out that recently that the meme coins have captured the public imagination and attention during this bull run even more than Bitcoin. Now you need to understand one thing. Even the previous bull market which we received in 2021, Dogecoin was actually one of the factors why so much money actually flew into crypto. Now you need to understand, being able to pull more eyes and be friendly and funny is going to be one of the ways more money flows into the crypto market, and meme coins are probably the best way to do so. Dogecoin set for a 700% increase to $1.17. If that happens, I know a lot of you guys watching this video are gonna be very happy. But there are just constantly so many articles coming out which are clearly suggesting we just need this to have a breakout, and then the FOMO is obviously going to be pushing it up. Talking about the SEC surprise blessing of Ethereum ETF, is the crypto makeover no one expected. Now keep in mind, this has caused the next bull run, because being able to see something that was super unexpected is obviously going to be the way that we can see the next run up for crypto. Binance loses a grip on Russia. Web traffic plunges 30% after the exit. I mean, this is just to give you perspective, because a lot of people in Russia do trade with crypto. Vitalik claws back the crypto community right to redefine inflation. I mean, this is a good way for you to understand there is so many big people who are talking about crypto right now because the inflation. There are so many problems with any currency, not just the US dollar. So there's a lot of people that are finding an alternate, and meme coin season is back. These are the top performers, and you can see Flocky, Bonk, Whiff, there's a lot of big momentum in all of these tokens. And if we go to the weekly, you can see even in weekly there is a lot of those tokens which are actually paying the attention. But as I mentioned, Doge still has a long way to go. I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If you did, drop a like on it. If you're new to the channel, you want to stay up to date with everything, subscribe, and I'll see you soon.